You have some friends coming over for dinner. You already decided what to cook for the meal, but you want something, just that something, to start the meal. This pate will solve your problems. And the best part is I'm showing you 3 versions that are great for every occasion. A basic version that can be used in sandwiches and salads, an advanced version that will make your friends think you're an expert cook, and the super duper version that will make you think you have what it takes to win a Michelin star. just joking, but it really is that good. Add the tuna to the bowl, dress with some olive oil, salt and pepper, add the mayo, and mix everything well. Basic tuna mayo that pretty much goes well with anything. You can make a sandwich, toasty, or just eat it in crunchy bread like I have here. Time to taste. It's okay. There's nothing wrong with it. Perfectly good. You can make sandwiches, toasties, paninis. Really, it's really up to you. This is pretty basic, isn't it? If you enjoyed this content, take a second and subscribe to the channel. It will make a huge difference for me. And dice it in small pieces. Small diced the shallot and add it to the mix. Drizzle with some balsamic glaze. Taste for seasoning, needs a bit more salt. Let's try. Really, really good. These 3 ingredients we just added just create another level of complexity. So good. This one is already good for a starter. Same in a baguette, sandwich, toasty, pasta, salad. You can use this one for pretty much anything you want. The next one will make your guests think you've been in MasterChef. Let's go. Dice the anchovies, super strong stuff. I'm only using one. Dice the parsley, crispy onions, some cayenne pepper. To bring it alive, a little bit of lemon juice. Double check your seasonings and adjust where needed. Perfect for me. Taste time. How not to love it? You have so many different layers of flavor in here. The tuna is the main protagonist of this story. That's the first hit you get. Everything else just complements it and enhances it. The lemon juice brings it to life. The crispy onions with the touch of saltiness and some crunch. The anchovy brings pops of saltiness all over. Parsley gives it some freshness. And all together, this is a beautiful pate. With this, your friends will love you, and even if you make it for me, I will love you. Try this pate and let me know in the comments what you think. I want to know what was your experience of doing this pate. Super easy to make, super quick to make, something great to have in your cooking arsenal. And if you like this recipe, check this video out. There's another little recipe that will complement any meal you make. Don't miss it.